What's going on, guys? It's Self-Made Hype here, and today I'm going to be talking about what not to do when reselling. So I've resold quite a few pairs of sneakers and different apparel pieces, and I've learned quite a bit of what not to do, whether it's from my experience or from my friend's experience, or just people on YouTube. So the first thing that I've learned myself is not to keep what you're reselling. If you have something in mind that you're definitely going to resell and you're going to make good profit on, do not keep that. I know it's really hard, especially for me. I've got a couple pairs of Yeezys and I've been like, oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna resell these, and then I end up keeping them because I like them. If you have something and you're definitely gonna buy it for resale, if you sell it right now, then definitely keep it because you got it for retail and you're gonna be saving some money off of that resale price. But if you don't really go for something like, yeah, I really want that for personal, I would recommend selling it, because this business is, at least in my opinion, I do this to make money partially. So that's the main thing that's really looped me in, and I've lost quite a bit of money from this, just keeping the product and being like, oh yeah, I really like this. The second thing is getting scammed. It's hard not to sometimes, but for me, one of the worst scams was I sold out of the country. And I got it all resolved, but it took so much time, and I paid for $70 shipping to Japan of a Supreme box logo hoodie, and I was scared that I lost it. He just reported it fake to Grailed, and I had seller protection, so I got it back, but I lost that $70 in shipping because that's not included in seller protection. And I just lost a couple months of my time trying to sort this out. It sucked, and I can imagine him sending me back a fake, and then I'd have a fake back myself, and he would have the real one, and then I would actually be scammed out of my money. So I would just recommend, if you're just starting off, not to ship out of the country. One, because it's really expensive, and two, because it's pretty easy to get scammed that way. And then the other thing is, don't miscalculate shipping. Once you put your item up, if you're not using GOAT or StockX because they pay for your shipping, if you're using Grailed or something like that, then make sure you calculate the shipping and have a box already prepared before you ship out the item, or before you actually sell it, so then you know what you're going to pay for shipping, and you don't sell something for $40 and be like, oh, it'll only take $5 to ship it, and then once you get to the store it takes $15 to ship it, and then you've lost $10 of your profit. That probably overall I've lost about $60 just because I've miscalculated the shipping. And little increments, it doesn't seem like it's gonna matter because it's only $5 this time, $10 this time. It doesn't really matter, but then it does in the long run because you've lost out on $60 of your total profit. Next, don't try the product on. If you want to, and if you are gonna keep it for personal and it just doesn't fit, then obviously you've already tried it on and it's fine. But don't try on a pair of shoes and then you accidentally scuffed them, and then you can't sell it through StockX, and you're gonna have to go through Grailed and advertise that you've scuffed up the pair of shoes, because then you've lost out on $20 or $30 of profit just because you want to flex on your Instagram with an on-foot picture of Travis Scott's. It's not worth it. It's not what you're gonna want to do. You're gonna make more money in the long run if you don't try it on, or don't just walk around in it because you think you look cool and then try and sell it off as dead stock later. And then the fifth one is, don't always get your size. If you're gonna want to keep something for personal, obviously get your size, but a lot of shoes maybe in your size are not gonna sell the best. A lot of times you're gonna want to try and get that size because that's your size, that's just what you're used to buying, but you're gonna make more money getting smaller sizes, or the sizes that sell the best in that type of shoe. With Air Jordan 1s, they sell worse in high sizes and you're gonna make less profit. But if you're a size 13, you might just try and get that because that's your size. The same thing goes with hoodies and stuff. In Supreme, smalls sell the best, and you may be a large, but you're gonna want to get a small if you're strictly trying to resell the product, just because a small, you're gonna make probably $50 more in some box logos and other hoodies, sometimes even more than that. Don't always go for the most hyped size or hyped colorway. This mainly goes out for clothing and Supreme and different things like that, but the most hyped colorway will sell the first. It's just how it's gonna work. And if you're not that quick where you're gonna be able to get that really hyped colorway in size, then maybe go for a less hyped colorway and make that profit. It's better to make $300 than make nothing, even though you might have been able to make $400. That little profit margin isn't going to be worth your time and all the losses that you're going to take trying to go for those really, really hyped sizes and colors. My last point is going to be always reinvest. You're investing into this and you're going to be putting money in and then getting money out, and that money that you're going to be getting out, I would always reinvest back into it, because then you could start buying, TNFs for Supreme, just really expensive pieces that you're going to make even more profit on. Because if you start off with $250 and then, you buy something for $250 and resell it for $400, then you have $400 to spend on something or multiple things, and then you can keep reinvesting those. I wouldn't make that $400 and then automatically buy something for personal with that $200 that you just made. I would build up a little bit of capital, and then that's when you can start actually buying things for personal or keeping things, because if you made that money, you aren't just like making and selling right away. You're gonna have that capital to reinvest, and that's just gonna make everything so much more seamless. You're not gonna have to worry about, can somebody spot me some money, I'll pay you guys back. You're just gonna have that money in your account that you can easily spend, and then that you're going to be fine for the next drop, because you don't have to sell this item right away. You can hold it because you have that amount of money in your bank account. So that's pretty much all the points that I have right now. If there's anything that you thought of, please comment it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It really helps me out because I have such a small following right now. If this did help you out, please like, comment, and subscribe. And just thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.